Should you remove baseboards before installing ceramic tile flooring? Removing baseboards can make edge tile fitting more precise and produce a cleaner finished look, but the decision depends on your skill level and the condition of the walls and trim. Start by assessing whether your tile will extend under the baseboard or sit against it. If the tile will be flush with the wall, prying off the trim first gives you room to lay full tiles and grout joints without awkward cuts. Use a thin pry bar and putty knife to protect drywall and paint. Work slowly along the length and remove nails with pliers rather than forcing the board off in one go to avoid splitting the trim. If the baseboards are painted or have delicate profiles, consider scoring the caulk line first so the paint does not lift when prying. After the tile is laid and grouted, let it cure fully before reinstalling trim, and use fresh caulk and paint touch up to seal the joint and create a finished look. If replacing baseboards, choose slightly taller trim to cover tile thickness and any underlayment. If reinstalling, mark each piece so you return them to their original position for best fit. Common mistakes include prying the baseboard off too quickly, which damages drywall and requires costly repairs. So take your time, use wide putty knives as shims, and fill any small holes with joint compound before repainting. Cutting tile without accounting for baseboard height leads to visible gaps, so either remove trim first or measure final finished floor height and cut tiles accordingly, then use quarter round or shoe molding to cover any gap. Assuming all baseboards can be reused is another frequent error because older trim can split or the nail pattern can deform. Check trim condition before removal and plan to replace any pieces that are damaged so the final finish looks uniform. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to ceramic tile and trim work, and we make it easy for contractors to find work by connecting them with real local leads. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about installation techniques, tools, and product choices.